Adding and removing elements, Python. Welcome to this tutorial on working with lists in Python. In this video, we'll be covering how to add and remove elements from a list. First, let's create a list of fruits. Now, let's add an element to this list. We can use the append method to add an element to the end of the list. As you can see, the element orange has been added to the end of the list. Let's say you want to add an element to a specific position in the list. We can use the insert method to do this. The insert method takes two arguments: the index position where you want to insert the element and the element itself. As you can see, the element grapes has been inserted at index 1 in the list. In general, append is faster than insert for adding elements to a list in Python, because append simply increases the size of the list and adds the new element to the end, while insert requires shifting elements to make room for the new element at the specified index, which is a more time-consuming operation. Now, let's talk about removing elements from a list. First of all, the element apple has been added to the end of the list. Now we have two occurrences of apple element in list. The simplest way to remove an element from a list is using the remove method. This method removes the first occurrence of the element in the list. As you can see, the first occurrence of apple has been removed from the list. Another way to remove an element from a list is using the pop method. The pop method removes the element at a specific index and returns it. Name error occurred because of incorrect name of list variable. As you can see, the element cherry at index 2 has been removed from the list and returned by the pop method. In pop method, if no index is specified, pop removes and returns the last item in the list. Last elements, apple has been removed. Thank you for watching this video. To watch more, subscribe.